Hey guys, I'm going to get started on this ram air, so-called ram air project. I've read that moisture can be a problem, so I have some concerns about that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill the holes in it like I had originally planned, and I'm also going to come up with a flap or a cover. There is some discussion that the moisture can come up through that and get right into the intake and really play with your engine. So I don't want to take any chances. So that's the plan anyway. So let's get started. So this is how I'm going to measure that. I've got the square there. I'm just going to line that up like so, and then draw a line on each side. Okay, so there's my lines for the length of the the line looks crooked, but it is straight. I used a square on it, and I'm pretty sure from watching the great videos you guys have made that slot drops in about the center there. But I'm just going to double check and we'll be back. It looks like that slot will sit right in the middle between this edge here and this side here. So I'm going to measure a center line across here. Then I'm going to measure the depth of that slot and get my lines drawn on there. Around the corners. And that's the same width as that slot. So now I just got to get in here and start drilling a pattern. Okay guys, so I hope that's going to focus. I got pilot holes drilled here. They're not perfectly aligned, but they're going to be okay. So I'm going to start drilling all this out. And if you're doing this, you either want to take the wheel off, or you're going to want to stand down here in between the wheel and the inner fender. Okay guys, there we are. I'm pretty satisfied with it. I put a few more holes in than I originally was going to, and now I'm going to come up with some kind of a gate or something that I can quickly just slide over that if I am out driving around and it starts to rain. More later. Okay, so this is what I've come up with for a little top for it. So I'm just going to cut these corners and then I'll find a way to fasten it down. So we'll be back. So there's the ram air done, and there's the cover, and then I'm going to simply put a couple of these body panel fasteners on there, and as luck would have it, they fit right in those holes. So, and then of course, as you know, they're easy to take out once you get back. So anyway, I'm pretty satisfied with how it turned out, and it didn't take very long. Remember, if you do it like I did it, you're going to want to stand down in there, because otherwise you're leaning over this tire, or you can pull the wheel off. And believe me, I thought about doing that. But so we're really lucky this weekend too. We got some decent weather, and I thought the car was done, but I'm going to be able to get the car out, and I mean, it's not going to be summer weather, but I'm going to be able to get it out, take it for a nice long drive, and see what a difference this ram air makes. So I'm looking forward to seeing the difference, and I will report back. So that's it for today, guys. Catch you later.